Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Please, if today is the first time you're watching my video, please like and subscribe. This live mechanic workshop. So I want to show you the component of engine. This is, as you can see, this is the crankshaft. This is the camshaft. This is the cam, because 2AZ has two camshaft. That's double cam. This is the outside and the inner. This is the crankshaft. I want to show this is crankshaft supporter. This help the engine to run faster, support the engine, make the engine to have power. This little thing that you are seeing. So that's the engine's crankshaft supporter that we are calling. This is top gasket, top cylinder. Call it top. If it has an issue, this is where the valve is. This is the oil pump. Is the one pumping the oil to the engine. That's the oil pump. Without oil pump, your engine cannot drive. If it has an issue, your engine will knock. So, and if the oil pump has an issue, it will show you check lights, oil lights on the dashboard. Now this is crankshaft. Please like and subscribe. If today is the first time you're watching my video, this is the crankshaft. As a powerful tools in the engine. If your crankshaft is wear and tear, your engine won't have power. But this one now will give your engine more power. In fact, you can drive it even though 500 speed. This piston. That's piston. As you can see. When on installing engine, if you want to install, you have to write this piston. Where you remove it, you fix it back to that place so that it will not affect your engine. Thank you. So this is the race. This is the race at the crankcase. The race and the crankcase. So this is the rings, as you can see. They have already been filed. It's remaining fixing. Remaining fixing now. I'm fixing it. Yes, that's the rings. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. So like and subscribe. God bless you. That's the piston. That's the crankshaft, engine block, the rings. We call it crankcase. As you can see, it has been washed, prepared to fix the rings and the piston. Everything is done here. Thank you.